Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the essentials. Make sure the host device has power and an active data source, then enable Windows 10 Mobile Hotspot in Settings. Once on, check the SSID and password so devices reconnect cleanly. If your host and client both support 5 GHz, switch bands for less interference. This often boosts throughput. While you're here, set the hotspot to share the Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapter you depend on, and keep the screen awake so the connection stays active. Once done with the hotspot basics, optimize the PC's network stack. You should open Device Manager and update both Wi-Fi and network drivers to the latest manufacturer versions because modern drivers fix performance bugs. Then, disable adapter power saving to prevent sudden slowdowns. In advanced adapter settings, set channel width and roaming aggressiveness to match your environment. Wider channels increase speed but may add interference. Make sure background apps aren't saturating bandwidth. Use Task Manager to identify hogs and close or pause them. You finish by restarting both host and client to clear caches and renew DHCP leases. This often restores expected speed. Then run a quick speed test and reposition devices. Walls, microwaves, and other Wi-Fi networks cause loss. If problems persist, try changing the hotspot band, turn off other nearby hotspots, or reset the network adapter on Windows as a deeper fix. As a last resort, use USB tethering for a more stable link. If anything fails, note the exact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.